Jill is just minutes away from the festival.
It's been a bit of eye makeup though.
Mark's asked best man Burnsy to blindfold his bride to maximise her supplies.
I don't like to see the need for the mask. I'm not adjusting it. There's too hot into this mask.
It's now good if they're ready put in. Nice one.
Jill wanted a high-class traditional wedding, just like the ones in her magazine. But instead, she's about to arrive to this.